morning, everyone. My name is Lindsley Griffin. I'm School District 88 Board President. On behalf of myself and my fellow board members, I would like to thank you all for all your hard work. I appreciate everything that I believe that you're going to do for 2024-2025 school year. I hope all the success for District 88 to continue moving forward. Thank you all for all your hard work and have a great school year.
Welcome back to what promises to be an electrifying school year. I trust your summer has been a refreshing blend of rest, inspiration, and excitement because we are gearing up for an extraordinary journey together. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand here as your superintendent, ready to embark on this adventure with such a dynamic and passionate team. Whether you're a teacher, custodian, administrator, or support staff member, trust and know you are an essential ingredient in the recipe for our district's success. And we thank you for being that extra spice that we may need. This year, we are unveiling our new strategic plan, a bold and ambitious blueprint for our future. We're not just setting goals, we're preparing to launch a transformative journey together. With 8 key priorities guiding our path, your involvement is not just appreciated, it's crucial. The success of our plan hinges on each and every one of you, and we need your energy and engagement to make it happen. Over the next 3 days, dive into professional learning, explore our innovative house system, and immerse yourself in all the exciting new developments. Your voice and your passion are vital to our success. We need your insights, your creativity, and your commitment to ensure we're all set to hit the ground running on the first day of school. This year, we're embracing the spirit of #New88. This isn't just a new chapter, it's a groundbreaking adventure that will redefine our district's future. It's an invitation to shape our path forward, aligning every action with our collective vision. Together, we're not just navigating the year ahead, we're setting the stage for long-term success. Empowerment, the heartbeat of our mission this year. I urge you to harness your creativity, enthusiasm, and resilience. Every lesson you teach, every interaction with students, every challenge you overcome, each of these is a vital ingredient in our recipe for greatness. Let's ignite this year with an unstoppable energy and pride, united under the banner of #188 and fueled by our shared determination. Together, we're creating an exceptional recipe for success, and I know we'll rise to every challenge and make this year the best one yet. In the words of John Dewey, education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. Let's instill this great lesson into the hearts and minds of all we touch, because to teach is to touch lives forever. Thank you for your hard work, passion, and commitment. I look forward to meeting and greeting all of you on Friday at our district-wide welcome breakfast. Have a great Institute week, and let's make this year epic together. Thank you.
Welcome back, District 88. I'm Farrah Wells.
I'm DeAndre Brown.
I'm Elliot Ward.
And we are the union stewards for the Buildings and Grounds Department.
We welcome everybody back. Congratulations to all the new administrators, all the new principals, new teachers. We're looking forward to working with everybody.
Let's show respect, show love, and let's make a difference for these kids.
Good morning, Mr. President, esteemed board members, and Dr. Victoria Hanson Stockton, Superintendent of Bellwood School District 88, and all present at this meeting. My name is Jacqueline Jamison, and I can't believe this is my 3rd year speaking on behalf of SEIU Local 73 support staff, and it is my honor to do so. As we move forward entering the 2024-25 school year, our commitment at SEIU remains the same. We are committed to extending ourselves to every student in the district to ensure they receive everything they need to achieve success. The superintendent's mission statements have been as follows. The 22-23 was Grow to Greatness. 23-24 was redefining ROI. The 2024-25 is Recipe for Success. And the definition of recipe is a set of instructions needed for preparation of something, including a list of ingredients required to prepare. I am a visual learner, so in my mind, I'm like, recipe for success. And this is where my mind ventured. My great-grandmother and her famous pound cake from scratch. There were 5 main ingredients that she would never substitute, and they are Swan's down cake flour, Domino sugar, Land O'Lakes unsalted butter, McCormick pure vanilla extract, and Clabber Girl baking powder. The cake was baked in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. She never deviated from her recipe, and each time her cake was flawless. This is the same mindset the superintendent wants from everyone at 188 to make sure that the children have the right recipe for success. No deviation, so they will know that they are awesome, a leader, extraordinary, brilliant, unbreakable, ambitious, and most importantly, not alone. I am Dolphin Pride. Thank you.
Good morning, Bellwood 88 staff, and good morning, BEA. For those who are new to the district, I am Karita Sampson, the Bellwood Education Association's president. Teachers, welcome back to the front lines of education. I hope your summer was filled with rest, relaxation, and perhaps just a touch of not hearing the words, "Can I go to the bathroom?" every 5 minutes. As we stand on the threshold of a new academic year, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the incredible dedication and hard work that each of you have to bring to the schools in District 88. Teaching is not just a profession, it is a profound and impact calling. It's a journey where each presents new challenges and opportunities. It's a journey that you all navigate with grace, resilience, and unwavering commitment. As we prepare for this school year, let's remember a few ingredients we must use. A generous portion of compassion. The foundation of a successful year is built on trust and respect. Get to know your students, their interests, and their needs. Create a classroom environment where they feel safe, valued, and motivated to learn. A cup of growth mindset. Sometimes the recipe doesn't go as planned. Encourage your students to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Model resilience and perseverance, and to celebrate effort as much as achievement. This will help build their confidence and their ability to tackle difficulties with a positive attitude. A handful of teamwork. We are a team, and our strength lies in our collaboration. Share your ideas, resources, and experiences with one another. Support each other through the inevitable ups and downs, and remember that together we are stronger when we are united. Take care of you. There are no limits for this ingredient. Teaching is demanding, and it's easy to put your own needs on the back burner. Remember that your well-being is crucial to your effectiveness as an educator. Take time for self-care and seek support when needed. As we prepare to welcome our students back, let's approach this year with optimism and excitement. Thank you for your dedication and your passion. Here's to a year full of flavorful experiences in your classroom, in your school, and district-wide. Thank you.
As we embark on this new year, we're thrilled to share our recipe for success with you. And just like in cooking, the right ingredients can make all the difference. So together, let's blend our talents, mix in some innovation, and sprinkle in our commitment to excellence so that we may create an extraordinary year for our students. And now, let's take a peek at how we've been preparing this summer. Come with me as we join the Board of Education and our district leaders who have been collaborating and cooking up some great ideas. Let's see what they've been mixing into our perfect recipe for success. Have a great institute, and I look forward to seeing you all this year. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hey!
Just hey, cut that out. Crop that scene.
Then we're gonna add in a heap. And like I said,
Got the union students for buildings and grounds department. That's the key, right?
That's okay. That's fine. I can start this over.
This year, we'll go there.
the skirt. I don't know what's the matter with you.
We're a little tired, but it's okay.
Welcome back, Team 88. I'm Farrah Wells.
School year.
Yeah.
Pause before you go
And
into.
the time is paused the way Jillian got it rolled.
Bring, this is too fast now.
Oh, it's too fast now?
Oh, that's moving too fast.
Oh, I think I'm doing it backwards. I was like, it is fast.
I mind you, I'm gonna start all over because I done messed up so many times.
Yeah, you gotta get up over there.
You see that hill?
Oh, I recorded all.
Oh,
It's gonna be a great school year.